Hai Ahsan, Assalamualaikum.
Hi, miss. I'm sorry I'm late.
Yo, why? What happened? Why Ahsan?
Hi.
Sorry?
Hi, miss.
Why are you late? Going to Zoom?
I just clicked the Zoom link, but it can't um going to the Zoom.
Hmm. I'm going to tell you how to do it later. Bintang, how are you? Bintang didn't even reply to my greetings on WhatsApp. You are so late, Bintang. Like 15 minutes plus 8 minutes, 23 minutes late. What's going on? Bintang, are you there? Hello, Bintang. Bintang is on but not responding. This is so weird. Camera off, audio off. What's going on, Bintang? Okay. So guys, this is what you need to do. When you do the flip materials, you get this confirmation message, right? Okay. So just copy paste the link. That's it. For example, if you did this flip materials yesterday, just copy paste the link and then put it as a star. Done. So the next day, you don't have to do the flip material again. You just have to click on this link. That's it. If you save the confirmation message, it will not appear when you re-click the link. So you need to save the link instead of the confirmation message. Ah, Sun actually did twice. Okay. Because you what did you save, Asan? The link of the confirmation message or the Zoom link?
Yeah, confirmation link.
See, like I said, when you click the confirmation message, it may appear blank. So don't save that one, save the Zoom link. Bintang, leave the Zoom room and then come back again. Usually the problem is solved. By the way, Ahsan, this is a very good. I was very happy when I see that you did the flip materials way before our class. Yes, finally Ahsan learned about time management, I said to myself. And then suddenly, why are you still late coming to? Oh, there was a problem. Okay. So Ahsan, next time when you have the link to the Zoom, that's what you need to save. Okay, just put it in the browser, copy paste the link, and then save it. There you go. You can click it first and then just. Hi Bintang, can you hear me now?
Hello, Miss.
Ah, there you go. See, the problem is usually solved when you just leave Zoom and then come back. So Bintang, Bintang, you do know that our class starts at 5, when does our class start? 5:45, right? Bintang.
Yes.
So when you don't come at 5:45 and greet me back, I will count that as late still. Even though you come on Zoom, it's still late. Okay. So 15 minutes of WhatsApp time is for you to confirm that you've done this and that. Um, just like I told you, I check your flip materials, and if you have problems with the flip material, you can tell me, and so on. So those 15 minutes are not just for what do you call it? Something useless. May I speak Indonesian, please? Hi, Alvin. Welcome to the class.
Yes.
Hello, Alvin. Welcome to the class.
Halo, Miss.
Oke. Jadi waktu kita 15 menit di WhatsApp itu bukan hanya, udahlah nggak usah di WhatsApp ngapain juga. Sometimes when I see your flip materials like today, hari ini loh, ternyata Alvin sama Bintang vocabulary-nya masih belum paham, masih banyak salahnya. Please do it again. Itu dia kesempatan kalian untuk melakukan perbaikan. Jadi 15 menit itu ada tujuan yang ngapain kita belum masuk ke Zoom. Karena mungkin kalian masih harus mengulang flip material atau ada yang perlu ditanyakan dari flip material atau memang kita hanya menanyakan kabar. Karena biasanya kalaupun langsung mulai Zoom, Miss Teti pasti tetap nanyain kabar kalian. Nah, ini bisa dipindah menanyakan kabarnya di waktu sebelum Zoom di WhatsApp time. If you don't come to WhatsApp time, well, you miss the conversation, you miss the things that you need to improve and so on. Kehilangan waktu untuk bercakap-cakap, untuk berlatih bahasa Inggris dalam kehidupan sehari-hari dan sebagainya. Okay, so do come to the 15 minutes. What else do I want to say? Oh yeah, when you come to Zoom, I always say, "Hi Ahsan, hi Bintang, welcome to the class. Please reply back. Why?" Tujuannya apa? Misalnya minta dibalas supaya tahu kalau ada seperti tadi gangguan audio atau gangguan video, jadi ketahuan. Kalau kalian nanti baru tengah-tengah pelajaran tiba-tiba nyalain audio nggak bisa, ya kan ketahuan masalahnya jadinya terlambat. Oke, so semua itu ada maksudnya. Kalau kalian baru masuk Zoom, sapa. Kenapa? Supaya tahu audionya berjalan. Bintang, is your video on? Or do you have a problem with the video?
My camera is missing.
What do you mean missing?
In my laptop, there's no camera, so I connect with camera.
And now where's that outside camera? It's gone?
Yeah, it's missing.
What's going on? Okay. Anyway, Hasan, Alvin, Bintang, let's check the flip material. There you go. So sorry, Hasan, we need to repeat this because, well, there you go. Alvin is only 2 points. Bintang is only 4 points. Oh, no. Okay. Guys, this is what we are going to do. So I'm going to ask you to make a sentence. But the thing is, you only have 1 minute to make it for each sentence. 1 minute to make a sentence. And remember, you need to speak because this is speaking session. The last session, if you pay attention, it wasn't a speaking session. So you don't have to speak too much. Sesi kemarin bukan sesi berbicara, jadi kalian tidak banyak bicara. It's okay. But today, it's the speaking session. You have to be active, speak a lot, okay? So I'm going to choose one word and you need to make a sentence in 1 minute, okay? The word is, please make a word with afford. You have 1 minute. So afford. Okay, we'll start from Itty Meeny Miny Mo, Catch Tiger by the Toe. Alvin, go ahead.
I have enough money to afford buy school supplies.
To afford without buy. To afford
Mm,
my
to
school.
afford my school supplies.
There you go. I have enough money to afford my school supplies. The next one, Bindang. Bindang, let's go.
Uh, I have afford to answer my I have afford to answer my teacher question.
When you use have, you need to use verb 3. So instead of I have afford, I have afforded to answer my teacher's question. One more time, Bindang.
I have afforded to answer my teacher question.
Teacher's question. Okay. Ahsan?
You have to use all your money to afford this car.
You have to use all your money to afford this car. Okay. Now it's Alfin's turn to choose. Which one, Alfin? Alfin, choose one of the words.
Mm,
Let's go, Alfin.
useful.
Useful. Okay. This time, Ahsan, Bindang, and I will make the sentence. Alfin, you need to point out later after 1 minute. Okay. So who will say the first sentence? Alfin will decide later. Alvin, you don't have to make a sentence for this. Useful. Okay, Alvin, who's the first one?
Awesome.
Asan.
This can be useful for other people.
What can be useful? Don't say this. Something something can be useful for other people. What?
This wheelchair can be useful for disabled peoples.
Ah, there you go. People. Remember, there's no S. People already mean persons. Alvin, the next one. Bintang or I?
Bintang.
Bintang.
My phone, eh, my phone is useful for me.
My phone is useful for me. The last one from me. Doing the flip materials can be useful to know what we talk about in the classroom. Now it's Bintang's turn to choose the word. Which one, Bintang? Eh? Two.
Suitable.
Ooh, not sweet. This is how we say it. Everyone, take a look at this. Eh, I haven't shared the audio. Hang on.
Suitable. Suitable.
Suitable.
Suitable.
British.
Suitable.
The T is more pronounced. Suitable.
Suitable.
Go ahead, Bintang. Go ahead. Not yet. 1 minute. Okay. Everybody, we have 1 minute besides Bintang to make a sentence using suitable. Bintang, who's first?
Mr. T.
Okay. This small wheelchair is suitable for kids. This the next one, Bintang.
Alvin.
Okay.
Hmm, I don't have any suitable shoes color.
Not sweet. One more time, Alvin. I don't have any suitable
I don't have any suitable shoes color.
shoe color. Shoe color.
Shoe color.
Got it. Remember, the I is not mentioned. Okay, Alvin. Thank you. Asan.
These shoes are not suitable for you.
Nice. Suitable for you. Got it. Now it's Asan turns to choose.
To benefit.
Benefit. Got it. 1 minute. Ahsan, who's the first one?
Bintang.
Bintang.
I get a benefit from selling food.
Hmm. This is the difference. What Bintang said, I get a benefit. It's the noun version. Bentuk kata bendanya, a benefit, sebuah keuntungan. But this one is to benefit, memberi keuntungan, kata kerjanya. So it's a different version, but the same writing. Now, Bintang, what you need to make is to use to benefit or benefit as a verb, not as a noun. So you need to make another sentence using benefit as a verb. Okay. Asan, who's next?
Alvin.
Alvin. Alvin? Let's go, Alvin. As you can see, time is ticking. You already took 20 seconds. Alvin, let's go. There, it's 1 minute already. Yo, Alvin is going out. Ah, no. Asan, my turn?
Yes.
Okay. So, learning English benefits the learners in the future. Belajar bahasa Inggris menguntungkan untuk pelajarnya di masa depan. So, that's to use benefit as a verb. Bintang, back to you. Still benefit. Menguntungkan. Jadi bukan keuntungan tapi menguntungkan.
I go to school to benefit.
To benefit. To benefit me. Don't forget the me part. One more time, Binda. I go to school.
I go to school to benefit me.
Mhm. Go to school to benefit myself, to benefit me. Got it. Okay. Yo, what is going on with Alvin? Come on, guys. Okay. Um, we'll do this one more round before we go to the grammar part. So I'll choose in mini mo catch tiger by the toe. I will choose to avoid. Okay. Ahsan, Bintang, you have 1 minute to avoid. So, Bintang? Yeah, Bintang. Go ahead. Hang on. Where's my to avoid? Go ahead, Bintang. Bintang.
Yes. I go to other route to avoid uh Hong Kong visit.
I go to the
I go to other route to
Mhm.
avoid uh Hong Kong visit.
A what? Sorry, Bintang. To avoid a what?
Road road road
I go to the other road to avoid
road
what do you want to say in Indonesian? Aku pergi ke jalan lain untuk menghindari
keramaian.
keramaian. Not crowd, crowd, the crowd. One more time, Bintang.
I go to other road to avoid a crowd.
The crowd,
The crowd.
the crowd. Okay, got it. Ahsan,
You have to use your raincoat to avoid your clothes wet.
got it. You have to use your raincoat to avoid your clothes getting wet. Okay. Alvin, by any chance, can you make a sentence? Oh, no, no. Alvin has this sentence. What was it again? Suitable? No, no, no. Oh, to benefit. Go ahead, Alvin. To benefit sentence.
I study at school to benefit knowledge.
To benefit. Untuk menguntungkan pengetahuan. No, menguntungkan diriku. Benefit is menguntungkan. So, menguntungkanku. To benefit. Alvin, to benefit diriku. What is diriku, Alvin?
I
Myself.
oh,
One more time. I go. Oh, what was your sentence again?
I study at school to benefit myself.
There you go. I study at school to benefit myself. Okay, Bintang, your turn to choose. Useful, done. Suitable, done. Benefit, done. Afford, done. Avoid, done. Bintang, which one?
To invent.
To invent. Remember, this is the verb, kata kerjanya. Jadi bukan penemuan, tapi menemukan. Okay, 1 minute for Alvin, Ahsan, and I. Who's the first one, Bintang?
Alvin.
Alvin. Go ahead, Alvin.
Mm, mm, uh, Leonard Kleinrock to invent the internet.
Sorry, Leonard. Who?
Leonard Kleinrock to invent the internet.
We don't say to invent. Menemukan, past tense, because it's in the past. So, what is to invent in the past? Oh, Leonard Kleinrock. Okay. One more time, Alvin. Leonard Kleinrock.
Leonard Kleinrock to invent the internet.
Without to.
Oh,
Kalau kita
invent.
pakai jadi kata kerja, to-nya hilang, invent-nya jadi verb to, karena internet sudah ditemukan bertahun-tahun yang lalu. What is the verb to of invent?
Invented.
Invented. Go ahead. Leonard Kleinrock.
Leonard Kleinrock invented the internet.
There you go. Thank you, Alvin. Bintang, who's next?
Asan.
Ahsan.
You have to invent something that can make people satisfied.
Got it. Thank you. Alvin mungkin bertanya-tanya, loh itu Ahsan pakai to invent. Karena bentuk kalimatnya pakai have to. Remember, when we use have to, pasangannya memang invent. Verb basic. We already learned this in unit 1. Okay. My sentence, Alexander Graham Bell invented the phone. Hello. There you go. Now it's Ahsan's turn. Ahsan, choose a word.
To replace.
To replace. Got it. Go ahead. 1 minute, Alvin and Bintang. Again, the format is the same with to invent. Kalau memang pakai have to, berarti pakainya replace. Kalau nggak pakai have to, replace aja yang dipakai. Kalau kejadiannya sudah lampau, pakai verb 2. Sedang berlangsung, verb ing. Berlangsung setiap hari, tambah i atau es jika he or she. Ahsan, who is it?
Alvin.
Alvin. Go ahead, Alvin.
I need to buy a new lamp to replace the broken one.
There you go. I need to buy a new lamp to replace the broken one. Thank you, Alvin. Ahsan, the next one.
Bintang.
Bintang.
I broke my friend to replace him.
One more time.
I broke my friends to replace him.
What do you want to say in Indonesian? Saya
Saya membawa teman saya untuk menggantikan dia.
Saya membawa teman saya untuk mengganti. The sentence is confusing. Why would you bring your friend to replace him? Teman saya membawa saya untuk menggantikan dia. No?
Football.
So, why would you take a friend to replace him? Saya pergi dengan teman saya, gitu maksudnya. Bintang, how is it? Bintang. Nah, saya pergi dengan teman saya untuk menggantikannya.
Yeah.
Okay, so I pergi dengan teman saya.
I go out with my friend
To,
to replace him.
not plates, replace.
To replace him.
Got it. Okay, Cristiano Ronaldo replaced. No, I'm going to change. Sorry. Haaland replaced Messi as one of the best footballers in the world. There you go. To replace. The last one from Alvin. Please choose your word.
Invention.
Invention. Okay, this is the noun. Kata bendanya. Hasan, Bintang, you have 1 minute. Invention. Okay, Alvin, who's the first one?
Miss Daddy.
Smartphones are not new inventions. They are invented 20 years ago, more than 20 years ago. The next one, Alvin?
Hasan.
Hasan.
There is an invention called a wheel that can make transportation easier for people.
One more time. There is an invention.
There is an invention.
Oh, hang on. Let's make it smooth. There is an invention.
There's an invention called a wheel that can make transportation easier for people.
There you go. That's smoother. The last one, Bintang.
Thomas Alva Edison has created an invention.
Thomas Alva Edison has created an invention. There you go. That's for the vocabulary. But the grammar is also still, guys, take a look at your grammar. Oh, Alvin makes it better. Okay, so nice. Alvin got it better. Bintang is still having a problem with the grammar. Okay, so what exactly is our grammar today for this unit? Did anybody watch the video?
Yes.
So?
Introducing the English test designed for you.
Convenient, fast, affordable, and trusted by.
So, what are we learning
The
in
target
Unit 2?
grammar of Get 6 Unit 2 is the simple future tense and adverbial clause of reason.
What does it mean by simple future tense anyway? What do we use for simple future tense? Guys, what do we use for simple future tense?
First, let's talk about the simple future tense. The simple future tense is used to express the idea of a general prediction about the future. Predictions are guesses about what might happen at a later time. How to form a simple future tense sentence. The
You actually have learned this in Gale 5B. When we use will or won't, what does it mean? A, we are sure, or B, we are not too sure, or C, we already planned it. Sure, not sure, or planned? Which one?
Not sure.
Not sure. Got it. Maybe yes, maybe no. That's why we use will for the future, simple future tense. Okay. This new invention will be a hot item in this country. Prediksinya bakalan jadi barang laris. Tahu-tahu nggak jadi barang laris, ya udah. Because it's just a prediction. Some crazy rich people will invest in this idea. Lagi-lagi prediksinya. Okay, so when we predict things, we use will. When it's negative, of course, you need to use
Will not.
will not. Or if we make it shorter,
Won't.
won't. Got it. Remember, when it's a question, you need to start with the will or won't part. Will I be rich, for example? Okay. Now, the next part is this one, adverbial clause of reason. Apaan sih, Miss Dati? Nggak paham maksudnya adverbial clause of reason tuh apa? Susah amat sih. Okay. So, adverbial clause means bagian dari kalimat yang menyatakan reason. What is reason? What does it mean by reason? Anyone?
Alasan.
Alasan. Got it. So, for example, in this sentence, this robot will function as home security on wheels because it can check on family members or pets at home. Which one is the reason?
Because.
Because, emang because doang? Which one is the clause? Bagian klausanya yang mana? Because, it can,
Because it can check on family members or pet at home.
there you go. That's the clause. Itu yang kita sebut klausa. Okay, bagian dari kalimat. And this is what we call reason. Penanda alasannya apa? Because or since. Okay. Now let's try and do this. Oh, hang on. Okay. If it's negative, of course, the reason needs to be negative as well. Okay. So that's it. Now let's try and do this one. Ahsan, Alvin, Bintang, I need you to make a positive prediction about yourself. Positive prediction without a clause of reason. Without a clause of reason. Me, I will be famous one day. Prediction. Okay. Let's start from Bintang. Bintang,
Yes,
a prediction, positive prediction.
I will be a math teacher in the future.
There you go. I will be a math teacher in the future. Ahsan,
I will be a good doctor.
I will be a good doctor. Alvin,
I will get a score of 100 on the sentence.
I will get a score of 100 on what, sorry?
Science
On science
test.
test. Okay, that's the prediction. Simple future. Now we are going to add a clause of reason. Remember, you still need to use the same prediction. Now you add a clause of reason. I will be famous one day because Astaghfirullah. I will be famous one day because I'm a good no, because I'm a funny teacher. There you go. Well, it's weird. I will be famous one day because I am a funny teacher. What's the reason? I'm a funny teacher. Okay. Again, we'll start from Bintang. Why math teacher? Go.
I will be a math teacher in the future because I get a good score at mathematics.
There you go. Thank you, Bintang. Aksan.
I will be a good doctor because I'm smart.
There you go. Thank you, Aksan. Alvin, the last one.
I will get a score of 100 on the science test because I feel I study really hard.
There. Because I feel I studied really hard. There. So now you know which part is the simple future, which part is the a clause for a reason. Okay, now we're going to do this with the negative. So everyone make a negative prediction. A negative prediction. I have a negative. Oh, it's so negative. I don't even want to think. Indonesia won't win against Guinea in the football match. Oh no, it's a negative prediction. No, 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 no. I'm not going to make a negative prediction about the Indonesian team. No. Um, oh yeah, I know. Haaland won't be as famous as Cristiano Ronaldo. There you go. Haaland won't be as famous as Cristiano Ronaldo. Okay, now we'll start with Alvin.
Mm, I will get a score of 70 in the Java language test.
Wait, negative. Not will, negative. That's why I said Haaland won't be as famous as Cristiano Ronaldo. Alvin?
I won't get a score of 100 on the Java language test.
There you go. Hasan?
Real Madrid won't be the treble winning club.
Okay. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering, but I'm pretty sure you all know who Haaland is. Okay. Real Madrid won't be a treble winning club this year, you mean? They already got
All
treble winning
time.
all the time. Okay. Bintang? Bintang?
Yes,
Go ahead, Bintang.
I I won't be get a good score at Japanese language.
When you already use be, you don't use get. When you want to use get, don't use be. So one more time, Bintang. I won't.
I won't get a good score at Japanese language.
Got it. What is it with Japanese language? That's also Alvin's sentence. Okay, now we are going to add a clause of reason to our negative prediction. Haaland won't be as famous as Cristiano Ronaldo because he is a boring player. I honestly think he's not, of course, he scored goals, but his goals are not interesting. I don't know. Anyway, there you go. Haaland won't be as famous as Cristiano Ronaldo because his he he's a boring player. Hasan, your turn.
Real Madrid won't be a treble winning team because if they win, they will change the football.
Amin. I'm going to say Amin with you. Amin. Okay. Because I don't like Madrid either. Okay. Alvin.
I won't get a score of 100 on the Japanese test because I don't understand Japanese script.
Astagfirullah. Okay. Bintang.
I won't get a good score at Japanese language because it's very difficult to learn for me.
It's very difficult to learn. Why? What's going on? Hang on. Okay. So everybody complain about Javanese. Now, this is the deal. When we make our own sentences, they look easy. Tadi kita buat kalimat, kayaknya gampang-gampang aja. Terus kenapa yang pas ini, kok salah semua jawabannya ya, Miss ya? Okay, this is the deal. Because you didn't read the sentences correctly. Check this one out. Hi, you're a cat lover, right? Guess who? Blah, blah, blah. Very soon. What does it mean by very soon? Very soon.
Akan terjadi.
Akan terjadi secepatnya. Right? Very soon. Is it in the present, in the future, or in the past?
In the future.
In the future. Makanya kita pakai will. Remember what I said. When you are using is surprising, ada to be, is, am, are, terus pakai ing, itu menandakan kejadiannya sedang terjadi saat ini. For example, what are we doing now? We are. Sekarang kita lagi ngapain?
Studying.
We are studying. We are learning English too. Are learning. Okay. When we use this with SSS, kalau yang ada SSS-nya, berarti kejadiannya berlangsung rutin. Okay. For example, tukang sulap kerjaannya apa? Memberi kejutan ke orang lain. Right? Betul? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So we can say a magician surprises people. Karena itu kerjaannya. Dia melakukannya hampir tiap hari. Makanya pakai SSSS. Okay. A magician surprises people. Because in this sentence, it's very soon. It needs a verb for the future. So will surprise is the answer. How about number 2? Kata kuncinya di mana sih nomor 2? Kenapa pilihannya jadi is working? What is the key word in the sentence? Ada kata kuncinya.
Very.
No. So sorry Bintang. Kata kuncinya itu biasanya berkaitan dengan waktu. It has something to do with the time. Ingat, yang ini tadi adalah very soon. How about this one? Kata
Now.
kuncinya. Now, there you go. Now artinya
Sekarang.
saat ini, sedang berlangsung. That's why we use ing. Oke. Jadi sebenarnya dari kalimatnya ada kata kuncinya. Jangan cap cip cup kembang kunci. Some of you are probably like, jawabannya apa? Udah ini mini mini mau kasih saya. No, there is actually a keyword in this sentence to help you choose the correct answer. So because this is now, that's why we need to use is working. Okay, not will work, not works, karena bukan kejadian sehari-hari, karena bukan kejadian di masa depan, tapi sedang terjadi. Now, okay. How about number 3? What is the key word? Bintang, Alvin, Hasan, what's the key word for number 3? Remember, it has something to do with the time.
When going out.
When going out, there you go. When we say when going out, apakah kita sedang melakukannya? Ketika pergi keluar, apakah sedang dilakukan?
Yes.
Hah? Ketika pergi keluar, orang-orang membawa bla 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 membawa kucingnya ketika pergi keluar. Apakah saat ini sedang terjadi?
No.
No. Apakah ini kejadian yang bisa dilakukan di masa depan? Is it something
Yes.
for the future? Yes. That's why we use will help. Okay. So they will help people carry their cats comfortably when going out. Jadi kalau ada when-nya gini, biasanya kita pakai the future tense. Okay. Say, if I want to make this into an English sentence, please help me out. Orang-orang akan menggunakan smartphone ketika membuka internet. Oh no, ketika bermain game. Go. How do you say that in English? Orang-orang akan menggunakan smartphone ketika bermain game. Guys, orang-orang akan menggunakan smartphone. Yep.
People will use smartphone when playing games.
People will
Uses
uses or use, which one?
use.
Use. If you take a look at this example, nggak pakai s, nggak pakai ing, just the basic verb. Modals. Kita kemarin bicara masalah modals. Kalau ada modal, salah satunya can, will, won't. Lanjutannya adalah verb basic. So, people will use smartphones when playing games. Okay, there you go. Hang on. Why did I? Oh, okay. The next one is this. Kenapa jawabannya won't let? Kenapa enggak is not letting atau doesn't let? This time, the clue is in this part. If you take a look at this part, there's an if, jika. Jika berarti sedang terjadi atau kejadian sehari-hari atau sesuatu yang mungkin terjadi di masa depan. Which one? Jika. If.
Yang bisa terjadi
Di masa
depan.
That's why we use
If.
If, and then in this part, you use won't let. Karena di sini udah ada jika. Yalah, kalau jika pasti seandainya di masa depan terjadi. So, won't let. Hang on. I have another class in 2 minutes. We still have 1 more minute to go. So I'm going to discuss this part. Your cat, blah, 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 difficulty fitting in one of them, even if. Nah, what's the difference between 4 and 5? Sama kan? Ada if-nya. So what do we use when we have if? Alvin, Bintang, Hasan? The same thing. Jadi kata kuncinya ada di if. If he is fat or has big bones. Jika kucingnya gemuk atau tulangnya besar. Kalau terjadi ya, it's in the future, not now. Okay? So that's it for, it seems that we will still talk about, we haven't got into speaking yet. Tadinya Miss Teti kira bisa digabung speaking sama listening, but no, we will talk about the speaking next session. So do you have any questions, everyone?
No.
No?
No.
No, Alvin?
No.
No, okay. If you don't have any more questions, I'm going to end this session. Thank you so much for joining today's session. Nanti yang udah dipelajarin hari ini, guys, jangan lupa dibawa lagi ke Kamis depan karena kita masih ngomongin masalah yang sama Kamis depan. Okay? Please remember what we learned today. Thank you so much for joining today's session, everybody. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum.
Bye, Miss. Waalaikumsalam.